Hi folks, this is Chris Wells out here again. I'm gonna go use my Ryobi weed whacker, do a little review on this. I've had it for a while now. I absolutely love it. I use it everywhere. There is a high and low. I normally just keep it on high. I don't know. You can do what you want, but I feel like the faster it spins, the easier it cuts. It does use more battery power, but I have enough batteries that I just keep this thing going. So let's go set up and I'll show you a little spot that I'm going to weed whack. And that concludes my review of the Ryobi Weed Whacker. I highly suggest it. It's available at Home Depot. Please subscribe and like. And if you would like, comment, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.